Rich rising, everybody. Yes, my mouth is green because I'm drinking chlorophyll. I say rich rising, but it's 234 right now, period. Okay. Today is kind of a lazy day, but obviously I'm going to be doing work. I'm going to try the meal prep right now. I know I should be having fruit first thing, but it's kind of late in the day. That's nice. They put onions, which is like great. So a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of like butter, a tad, and then just fresh green beans. So it looks good. I'm ready. I get to package orders right now as well. There's some new orders coming in today as well. So like a lot of orders will be going out today. I think post office isn't close till 5, so I'm literally gonna try and get to like between 30 to 40. I made my Vlogmas intro. Hi Poopy, the cat. You wanna say hi? How about we go outside? Oh, tell the people hey. Look, what's this? Say hi. Say hi. Oh no, you're shy today? Okay. You can go outside. I'm tired of the disrespectful Amazon people because I have stairs. So they put my big ass box all the way down. Like, what if it was just me? And people are stealing now. So it's like, so I know like you have an entry on the, you can put like something written down. So what I'm gonna tell them is just put it up, walk it up the stairs. Put it by the door. Do not leave on stairs because what the hell. You guys saw my intro. I'm also doing a giveaway now on my page. You guys should. It's day 4. Yeah, y'all will be able to catch it. So on 21 royalties, we're doing a giveaway right now. So there's that. I did my intro on Impresso. This is the app. So it's Impresso. I just signed up for the trial because it's like way easier. So I have to edit today, or I get to edit today, and then I'm gonna post the first Vlogmas of day 1. Alden wanted to go out to Gracias Madre today, but I'm not really feeling it. So tomorrow I actually have, I forgot to tell you, tomorrow I'm going for my braces consultation. I've been very kind of fearful actually, and spirit is just, God has just been like, hey, you need to go, you need to go, you need to go, which I do because this tooth, which was a baby tooth, is now coming in. They had to pull that tooth for that tooth to come down. My teeth are so strong and resistant, it's like they just never want to come out. So because of that fact, this tooth has been pushing my other teeth and it has been hurting. I also have a baby tooth over here, this one. So these two just never came out, and I didn't even start losing teeth till I was like in 3rd grade, like 9 years old. And it's ironic because 9 years old is when I got my first period. When it comes to teeth, like my teeth are super strong. You know, there's been multiple times my should have cracked and it never did. So praise God for that. But I'm gonna go into this meal prep. We're gonna eat first, okay? I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like, and then we're gonna get into working at 2 o'clock. So I had to put more seasoning on it, okay? This is the green beans. Thanks for that.
Sorry.
Just drop it on the toy. I don't want this. So I put some chives, a little bit of like all-purpose seasoning, and then for the green beans I put pepper. But I have some leftover medium kicking crab sauce. I saved it specifically just for this. So if I need some extra zhuzh, here we go. Let's see the peppers. Very plain. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce though. I give you onions though. I'm about to dip this shit in the sauce. It actually has some good flavor without the sauce. I can taste it. Why am I eating with chopsticks? Because I do that sometimes. For no reason. Oh, now Alden wants some of my sauce. I saw that coming.
Just one.
For now. Anyway, I'm finna eat. I'll see y'all later. This is me just packaging orders. I'm packaging my new breast and body kits. You're just gonna have to go back and pause, baby, because it's a lot. But I love these kits. They're amazing, and you get so much product in place of the value. But this is a day in the life, okay, baby? Entrepreneur, yeah. hopping in the car because I really want a milkshake. Yes, I know I'm doing meal prep and all that, whatever. But this is what I'm gonna get, because it's my life. It's my life. Let me stop before I get demonetized. It is so scarily foggy outside. Can y'all see that? Oh, you can. Look it. It just looks eerie.
It's actually worse than what the camera shows.
Well, it's like the camera's showing up in blue, like it's darker than what is showing up, but it just looks so eerie. Like, and the fog is a lot thicker. But I'm gonna take y'all to Hug Life. I'm not going in all the minutes. They don't need to see my titties while they out.
Nope. Fuck it.
I had to stay vigilant because people
Vigilant.
Whatever, damn, you know what I meant. I want a shake with oat milk. If they don't have oat, we'll do almond, right? I want the Vietnamese and
the Oreo.
Okay, yep. And then get us, should we get a pint of Oreo or should we just keep something smaller?
I'm not gonna really eat
for
it,
later.
So. I'm not gonna eat it. I don't really eat ice cream at home.
You do eat ice cream when I pull it out. So then just get a pint of it. And let's see, do I want anything? Give me a little chocolate drizzle, like tell them just a little bit.
On top or in the cup?
On top.
Anything else?
No, that's it. You get what you want. I tell you, this place is good. It's very good. It's very, very good. Like, for those of you who don't, so they have a place in Long Beach that I know of, and then they have this place here, which is Westminster, I believe. This is Westminster. So here, essentially, like, this is just it's vegan ice cream, like non-dairy ice cream. So if you struggle or like you have a lactose issue like I do, because I can't really eat cheese like that, but you know, here I could have this. Because it doesn't bother you. They make it themselves. They also have gluten-free options. They have all kinds of stuff. You could do like some chamoy something. There's a lot of things that you can do here. They have a nut-free options, like all kinds of stuff like that. So then that is cool to have. The vibe in here is always good. As you see, like, okay, so you see how it says Hug Life right there on the label on the door? It's like Tupac. You know, so that's kind of how they model their thing after. It's like Tupac. So you go in there, they usually have like, you know, hip-hop music playing. You know, if you ever known a cool Asian, that's the vibe in here. Okay, an Asian that's with it, that's the vibe in here. Everybody's super cool, super nice. Obviously, not only Asians work there. I've never seen a black person work there, but I have seen white people work here. But it's mostly Asians, and I think it's because it's ran by an Asian owner, if I'm not mistaken. The only reason why I say that is because, oh, her little pants is cute. I came in here one time, and then, like, he looked like he was bringing stuff in, like, I don't know. He could be working for, I don't know. But I just thought he was the owner. But he didn't say nothing, like, he just was minding his business, you know. But he was nice about it. He wasn't, like, an asshole. But, yeah, I love Hug Life. It's fire, so I'll show you what my drink look like when I get it. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Delectable. Is it oat milk?
Yes, ma'am.
It's perfect. So I did that today. Now it's back to go home. I gotta edit the Vlogmas, upload it today, and then go back to packaging orders. Vlogmas day 1 is officially edited and it's uploading. It's 24 minutes, but you know that. It was kind of cute. Y'all got the like background side of things, but obviously like I was using the memory card, so I didn't like record it. But I also don't feel like y'all want to see no tedious shit like that on here. My hair needs to be redone so bad, but I'm not gonna be able to do it till probably next week. I would love to do it Friday, but that's just not gonna work out. But yeah, it's time. Like, I half-assed this hair so bad. So I'm thinking like Monday. I'm glad I didn't get, because I almost went and got a silk press today. I'm not even playing with y'all. But I'm glad I didn't, because the humidity outside is, and the fog, like my hair does not do well in humidity. So I am so glad I didn't do it. So I'm probably going to go ahead and get a silk press very soon. And then after the silk press, I'll probably do like French braids, like feed-ins. And then after that, I'll probably get some faux locks done. So I'm gonna say by Christmas time, y'all should probably see me with the French braids. That's probably what I'm rocking. Going into the new year, yeah, then. But I don't like to celebrate New Year because, like, you know, Hoodie made a very good valid point about how we celebrate Mother Earth when she's dry and barren and cold, but not when she's renewed fresh in the springtime. Like, that is when, that's the new year. That's a new refreshing. Like, if you notice, the stocks, they start to like skyrocket during May and all that. Like, every time it's like springtime like that. So yeah, my New Year is in spring equinox, but you know, everybody else's New Year, so I have to refer to it like that. Alden helped me with these boxes, and then there's more over there. I guess I'll come show you guys. He just folded them up, and he's also doing some customer service for me. Like, all of these here will be going out. Along with the boxes that I showed you earlier, along with these 4. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff that I have to package. But right now, what I have to do is make some bags of arrowroot powder to go into these right here, our kits. The kits are fire, let me tell you, because this size doubles. Like, you're getting 2 times this amount. You can't tell me that's not fire. Like, these are 16 ounces. You're getting 32 ounces of product. It's worth it. And you get everything you need. Like, you get to make your own stuff. You know, if you're a bruja, you get to add like any like special oils. You get to pray over it. You get to put your own energy in it. You know what I mean? So I like these kits way better. And then you can anoint your body with the product every day. You know, if you just want good vibes, good energy. I mean, mind you, I make sure that I'm in good energy before I make my product. But, you know, sometimes you want to do it yourself or have a whole kit or whatever. It makes it easier. I could not, if I had to make these myself, they'd probably go for $100. Because it's a lot of product. And it takes a lot of time. Not to mention, like, you don't get to pick your fragrance if I were to do it. You know what I mean? Like, there's options. You get to get what you want. So I love that for those products. But like I said, right now I gotta fill up the bags. So we'll be doing that right now. I already packaged 4 or 3. I think I packaged 4 of these already, the butter kits. So I have to do these. I actually think I have to make more product if I'm not mistaken. So there's that. I kind of want a little snack. It's not that I'm even hungry. I just want a little something. So I guess I'm gonna eat a little snack before I really get in it. Yeah, so I settled on this, which is the truffle popcorn, but I added some salt to it. It actually tastes better today than it did yesterday. Like, the truffle is popping more. So I'm gonna eat this, find something to watch while I'm working. I'm kind of mad because I realized I forgot about so much Black Friday stuff. Like, I was gonna get a replacement TV for my room and hire somebody to come mount it, right? So it can be on the wall and out of the way. I don't know how I want it mounted, because I know you can like put it on the wall and then have it go up, have it come down like in the middle of the room, which would be really cool, but I don't know. Or I don't know if I want it on the side where my vanity is, because I really don't use my vanity lights anymore, like my mirror. So, oh, my vlog is done. So, this is the intro, which, I mean, you guys saw. Y'all hate the intro music? Do y'all hate, come back. Do y'all hate the intro music? I don't know if I like it. I was trying to look for like my sound, my extra sounds. I don't know where they went on Final Cut. So I do have the ghetto version of Final Cut. And if you know what I mean by the ghetto version, I didn't pay the money. My giveaway started today. I don't know if I told you that. I think I did. So make sure y'all get in on the giveaway, because if you don't get in today when this video goes up, you will not be able to get entered. Where the hell is it on my desktop? There it is. So I'm uploading Vlogmas now. It should be up about 9, 10 o'clock. I kind of see why they didn't put no salt in here, but still. Me and Alden are both hungry. So I'm gonna make some pizzas. I bought these a long time ago because they were on sale. Like a couple weeks ago, because I really stocked up like my entire refrigerator. Because I'm like, I just keep dark winter. We don't know what that means. So let's make sure we're prepared, right? So August said he wanted both. These are actually pretty good. They're not the best, but they're pretty good. And then, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and make them both. They are pretty small, like, you know, it's not big, but yeah. I've never tasted another Caesar dressing that's vegan at the store that tastes bomb like this. I'm going to stock up. When I mean I'm going to stock up, I'm going to stock up. So I'm going to keep a couple of these. Like, they did that. She's the one, okay? I also have this one, which it tastes, I don't know, like, it tastes more like a dip than a ranch. But it's still pretty good. And then I got this one, which like the pesto's nice, like it's just light, but that Caesar, they did that. So that's what I'm gonna have on my salad. We brought some like pre-made salads from Trader Joe's just to have, so yeah. But the meal prep, like, it was nice on the stomach, very lightweight. Like, you know, I didn't even finish eating the whole meal prep. I actually gave all the rest of it because I couldn't finish it. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to filling, you know, my stuff. So y'all don't flag me, okay? This is just me filling those arrowroot powder bags. Essentially, like, it makes your shea butters not greasy. You can use cornstarch too, but I like these because it's better for the skin, it's gluten-free, and all those other good things. So I just used an organic arrowroot powder, and this is the same arrowroot powder that I actually use in my other products. So yeah, it's super great. I don't know why. I'm watching Wentworth, by the way. It's okay, but I don't know why Alden gave me all this damn food. Look at all this. Like, I'm finna eat it all. I am not finna eat all this. Is he crazy? So I want to catch this part. I'm doing inventory stuff, like ordering stuff. Right now I had to buy more of this tape here, which is just like the Amazon tape. So it's like water activated tape. You get a lot. Like, this was 300 feet. I think that's a football field for $29, and it's free shipping. I use Sticker Mule. If I can remember, I will leave it down below, like a link or whatever, so you guys can get yours if you guys are looking for tape for your business. Just to help your packaging look a little like more extra. I also had to order another box of crinkle paper because I have, how many more orders? I have 65 more orders. I think about 10 of them are for the bundles, so I won't need it for the bundles because they come like this, and then yeah, so I don't put crinkle paper in that. But for the other 50, I am gonna use it. And I did just open a whole new box. I've literally gone through 4 boxes of crinkle paper already. Like, I'd probably say like 4 to 5 boxes, and they are big as hell. Like, this is how big it is, and all of this is filled, right? Can you see? Okay, you can see the whole box. Yeah, I go through these like crazy. So just to make sure that I have enough inventory and stuff, that is taken care of. For anybody who has like flyers, I'm gonna show you mine. So this is my flyer here. Okay, design your own, design your own. I designed this. Okay, nobody, you know, I had a little inspiration and then I decided to design my own. Right now, Staples is having 50% off, so I bought 200 of them for the same price that I would have bought 100. So I have extras because they go through every order, and so like it's not like I'm not gonna need it. So yeah, and then I ran out right now of this here, the label thing, which I knew was gonna come. I bought 2, by the way. Sign in really quick. I bought 2 of these, like, I don't know, it was like 2 weeks ago. It wasn't even that long ago that I bought it. By the way, if you guys do Sticker Mule, you have to, they're gonna verify it. So shipping takes a little bit longer because of processing, because they want to verify your label or whatever you're putting on your tape. I'm just reordering, doing exactly what they did, so I get to skip that process and I go directly to printing. But mine's still not gonna come till next Thursday, but that should be enough tape for whatever orders come in now. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to my order